What up guys, RETROCENGO here, back with another Amiga video. Couple of days ago I made a poll on Commodore AMIGA page on Facebook with 30,000 members. Now don't write to me you don't like to use the Commodore AMIGA page because of the admins. If you have problem with the admins, take it up with the admins. I don't care, I use that group, okay? So I made a poll there and I asked, what do you use your Amiga for today in 2023? So I put up 3 different choices and I let people put in more options, and I also let people choose multiple options, okay, multiple stuff that they can do. Alright, so the first one I was thinking about is, like many people say, I'm just farting around. I don't want to write farting around, so I just wrote option 1, tinkering around. I mean, just not really doing anything, but still doing something, just farting around. And not to my big surprise, 37% voted tinkering around. And when I press on this, I can see 37%, it is 57 votes. Now 57 votes said that they were just tinkering around. And I wanna scroll down, I see a lot of names I know on this page. Great people. So most people, 37% are just tinkering around, farting around with their Amigas. At second place that I put in here was gaming. Gaming is at 34%. And when I press there, my name is there. I'm gaming. And oh, I see some of the tinkering around are also under gaming. Okay, cool. But yeah. So 1/3 of this is tinkering and the other third is gaming. Now, I actually also put in productivity, because when I make reviews, actually one of the last reviews I made with the Pi Storm 32 Lite, the comments there were like, dude, you don't review the Pi Storm because it's not for gaming, it's not made for demos, it's only made for productivity. So if you remove the Pi Storm 32, it's a waste of everybody's time because it's not for gaming, games doesn't run good, it's for productivity, it's for all the thousands and thousands of thousands Pi Storm 32 that has been sold this year, it's all for productivity. And every time I read those comments on my YouTube channel, I'm thinking, who's doing what productivity? So as an option 3, I know is ludicrous, but I put that up and I said, who is doing productivity on their Amiga on 2023? And it got 5% of the votes. 9 votes. Oh, I can see Rebecca is there also. Yeah. 5% productivity. So that must be the 5% that uses Pi Storm 32. Those thousands and thousands and thousands of people. I'm saying this to the comments on my YouTube channel, guys. And then some people have put in some more options. One guy, he wrote, I put in 3 options. One guy put in option number 4. And at option number 4, we got 3 votes. That's 1%. Another guy put in demos. Demos got 10%. 14 votes, nice. Another guy put in music. Now this I understand, really, because tracker music is awesome. Oh, Rebecca is there also. Rebecca is just doing all different stuff on her Amiga. So yeah, music, that's awesome. We got by Abby added something called Nothing Needs Repaired. And Abby voted. So yeah, 1 vote there. And Derek made another poll that says she waits and shines. And we got two votes there, 2%. And Anna Maria, composing music. Yeah, that's like music, but yeah. Composing music, 2%, 2 votes. And the last one was Milo. And he's the only one that voted. And he says on his poll, making money on eBay. So he is buying and selling Amigas on eBay, which is up to him. So all in all, 151 votes. That's nice. This gives me an idea. I mean, could it be cool if you had 30,000 votes? Yeah, but this poll was up for a couple of days, and now it's, you know, way down in the Facebook thread, so it's just all forgotten. So this tells me that a third of Amiga use is gaming, and the other second third is tinkering around. And then we got demos and music. And what's after music? Then productivity down at 5%, guys. So yeah, this gives us a little insight about how the Amiga usage is today in 2023, and I fully understand because most of my Amiga usage is gaming, but I will say it's fun to just tinker around. I don't know. Go into DROPus, look what I have got here, try some different discs, what does it contain, try some different hard disks that I got from my older Amiga purchases, make backup copy of my Dune on floppy disks, check out some crack intros, listen to some music, just tinkering around, go into Workbench and Hippo Player, listen to some music, and sysinfo, tinker around with different hardware, different accelerator cards, put them in, and go into sysinfo and see the different scores. Put in 4 RAM, 8 megabytes of RAM, try some different WHD load games. More games are coming out, demos are coming out, so yeah, man. And when I was a little kid, I had this little sampler. So I sampled my friends and I, we sampled our voices, and we get into different games and put in our voices over. And if you found BMP pictures on games like Pirates, then we actually went in and loaded those pictures, and we edited them and saved the same file name. So when we played the games, I mean, then there were some crazy messages that we wrote in. So yeah, tinkering around, that's high score. I just want to say that I love that. When did the Amiga 1000 come out? Back in 1980, 85? So many years ago, and people are still just farting around with these Amigas. It's so cool. So thank you to everybody that still makes new hardware for our Amigas, new games for our Amigas. It's just so cool. What an amazing computer when it came out, and what an amazing computer and community we still have today. I don't know, it really makes me happy to be a part of this. And next time, one of you guys write on the comments, you can use your Raspberry Pi with games. It's not made for games, it's only made for people, productivity people. Then I'm just gonna link to this video, okay? Then we have an understanding. There you can see. I mean, who's making what productivity in 2023? Come on. I know one guy will write, I'm drawing a picture or something, and more power to you. No one has nothing against you doing productivity stuff. I mean, when my PC is 5 years old, it's just outdated. I have to upgrade it. So I don't know, searching on the internet on a 30-year-old computer, I don't want to waste my time. I just buy new stuff. But We're all different. So more power to everyone, okay? So peace, love, and happiness. RETROCENGO wanna thank everyone that wanted to vote on this poll. Have a great day, guys. Bye.